In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how I turn these dated $2 thrift store lamps into these hip accent pieces with custom painted shades. Now unfortunately I did not record the first step in this process, however it is an easy one. I simply cleaned up the lamps with some glass cleaner and then gave them a coat of flat black spray paint. I also taped off the foot area and gave it a little accent color of metallic silver. While that was drying, I started on the custom painted shades. I picked up 2 drum shades at a discount store for $10 a piece. I decided to create a birch tree look on them, so I used painter's tape to tape off the areas that would become the birch branches. I then used some spray chalky finish paint to give the shades a couple of coats of gray. Once that was done, I removed the painter's tape, and we see the negative space will be used to make the birch trees. Now there was a little bleeding under the painter's tape, but that was fine. We'll need to find the edges of the trees that will get covered up anyway. To paint the actual trees, I used some black acrylic paint and an old plastic card. I dipped the edge of the card in the paint and dragged it across the width of the tree. If your paint's a little too thick, it can be helpful to add a little water to help it flow across the shade. I just continued like this, defining the edge of the tree and then dragging across to create the bark until I had every tree finished. And there you go. There's the finished product.